Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to show you how you can take a nasty, moldy fridge and turn it into a sparkling white one using doTerra lemon essential oil and a magic eraser. Let's get started. Let me show you what I'm working with here. Disgusting, gross, probably mold. So I'm literally just going to drop lemon oil everywhere. It's going to make it smell good. It's going to cut the grease. Oh, back there in that nasty, oh gosh, it's so nasty, y'all. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Yay, doTerra. Yay, lemon. Yay for clean. And just using that mild abrasive pad from the magic eraser is just enough to agitate it to get it off, but it wouldn't come off without the essential oil. Look at this. So disgusting. I feel like super Wonder Woman. Not just Wonder Woman and not just Superwoman. Super Wonder Woman. All right, here's the after. Brand spanking new is what it looks like. No more black mold. Sparkling white. Smells amazing. Yay! Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!